What does cranberry juice to your body? Powerhouse of antioxidants, heart healthy and more. Wow! What is so good about cranberry? Cranberry juice is made from fresh cranberry produce, and it is a life potion. There's more to it than its bright, deep red color and tangy tartness. Unsweetened cranberry juice is a low-calorie detox drink. The polyphemus, vitamins, and other active ingredients found in cranberries can also be found in its juice. Amazing benefits of cranberry. 1. Powerhouse of antioxidants. Did you know that cranberries succeed almost all fruits and vegetables in disease-fighting antioxidants, including strawberries, raspberries, spinach, broccoli and cherries? 1 cup of cranberries in fact has a total of 8,983 antioxidant capacity. 2. Controls urinary tract infections, UTIs. Cranberry is perhaps best known for its role in preventing UTIs. The high level of proanthocyanidins in cranberries helps lower the adhesion of certain bacteria to the urinary tract walls, in turn fighting off infections. Several controlled trials with women as subjects were conducted in which they were put on cranberry juice for 12 months. It was reported that cranberry juice decreased the recurrence of UTIs in these women. 3. Boosts brain power. The antioxidant and anti-inflammatory compounds present in cranberries may improve memory and coordination according to Tufts University. So if you wish to stay brilliant, you might want to snack on dried cranberries daily. 4. Prevents cancer. Research has shown that cranberries are beneficial in slowing tumor progression and have shown positive effects against prostate, liver, breast, ovarian and colon cancers. 5. Helps with weight loss. Cranberry juice has an emulsifying effect on the fats deposited in the body, which in turn help with weight loss. Since it is loaded with fiber, it also helps one stay full for longer. 6. Combats tooth decay. According to researchers at the Center of Oral Biology and Eastman Department of Dentistry at the University of Rochester Medical Center, the proanthocyanidins present in cranberries may benefit oral health by preventing gum disease and bacteria from binding to the teeth. 7. Nourishes skin. Cranberries help nourish the skin and make it more supple. You can blend 1/4 cup of honey with 2 tablespoons of dried cranberries and 1/4 tablespoon of essential oil and apply it to your skin for 10 minutes for improved results. 8. Boosts immunity. Since cranberries are rich in antioxidants and phytochemicals, they promote a healthy immune system and reduce the odds of you getting sick. 9. Heart healthy. The polyphemus present in cranberries may also reduce the risk of cardiovascular disease by preventing platelet buildup and reducing blood pressure. 10. Reduces risk and severity of diabetes. The fruit and vegetable intake of people with type 2 diabetes is typically low. This is probably because of its perceived adverse effect on glycemic control. Low-calorie cranberry juice can be a healthy way of increasing fruit intake in such cases. Elevated levels of LDL, bad cholesterol, are commonly seen in people with diabetes. The oxidation of LDL worsens diabetes. Thus, ultimately, cranberry juice can bring down the severity of diabetes. While at it, this drink can also reduce the risk of metabolic disorders, like obesity and CVDs. 11. Is an excellent detox drink. Cranberries contain abundant amounts of antioxidants, such as phenolic acids and flavonoids. Cranberry juice phenolics are also known to boost antioxidant capacity. Hence, it can effectively reduce oxidative stress. Does cranberry juice cause any side effects? Drinking cranberry juice is generally safe. However, large amounts can cause an upset stomach. With time, it may also increase the risk of kidney stones. High doses of cranberry and its extracts may also exhibit drug interactions. Blood thinners or anticoagulants are particularly reactive to cranberry juice. So, what is a safe way to consume cranberry juice? What is the daily limit of this drink? Cranberry juice is the best summer drink with all its necessary bioactive ingredients. So, you can now relish cranberry cocktails without feeling guilty. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe if you like information.